Hello everyone and welcome to IQ Specs. Now most of y'all might have encountered various difficulties with English speaking. The prevalent problem with English speaking is because of lack of vocabulary. And this is the main reason why most of us are usually afraid to start a conversation in English. But I am here with a solution to solve your English problem. Now, reading is one of the most effective and fun way to improve your English speaking abilities. Now, I won't say that I'm a pro with English, but yeah, reading has really helped me to improve my vocabulary, my sentence formation, sentence structure, and even improved my knowledge. But it's very important that you start with a correct book. So I'm here with my top 5 favorite books which I have used to improve my basic English. And if you are a beginner in reading, you should definitely try one of these to improve your basic English. So the first book is my all-time favorite, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Now this book has simple narration, so it becomes easy for you to understand. Also, this book has very less pages, so you can complete it very fast and you will not even get bored. Now, this is the story of a boy named Santiago. Now, the story starts with the dream which is followed by series of adventure and finally it leads to resolution. So basically it's the journey of the boy discovering about his personal legend, about his dream of finding the treasure. Now I have read this book for 3 times and I just love the way Paulo Coelho has plotted the story with moments of happiness, joy, contentment, of the peace and different things about your dreams, how you can achieve your dreams and all of those things. Now I totally love this book. This book has also given me a very important life lesson that when you want something, the entire universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. It makes you understand that believing in destiny, that believing in yourself will finally lead to your dreams, will finally make you achieve your dreams. So I highly recommend this book to all the age group people. Do check it out. The second book is The Diary of Anne Frank. Now who hasn't heard about Anne Frank and her diary? Now this book was written by a 13-year-old during World War II, while she and her family were hiding in a secret annex. In this diary, she had written that she wanted to become an author and the experience of being in an annex. While reading this book, you will actually feel that you are with her in that annex. You will go through the roller coaster of emotions, the emotion of fear, loneliness, hunger, needs of the old age, mental and physical needs, fear of being caught, fear of the fire attacks and whatnot. Now this book was a life changer for me and I read this book, and after this book only I developed the interest in reading. While reading this book, I found myself laughing and crying at various moments, especially when she and her family were arrested and taken into the concentration camp. Now there, this girl, that is Anne Frank, she died because of the unhygienic condition in the camp. This is an awesome book. Do check it out. Third book is The White Tiger by Aravind Adiga. Now, this book is written with very simple English vocabulary. So, even if you have problem in understanding English or understanding meaning of English words, you can easily understand this book because of the simple English. Now, this book is about Balram Halwai and his struggle. Now, Balram Halwai narrates his struggle in a letter. He was born in a rural village. He was very good with studies, but he had to leave school. He was forced to leave school so that they can pay for the cousin's dowry. After that, Balram Halwai starts to work in a tea stall, and after a lot of struggles, he becomes a businessman. Now, this book intricately highlights 2 versions of India. One from the perspective of a poor person and one from the perspective of a prosperous person. This book is definitely gonna leave an impact on you and you will actually think about the functioning which is going on in India. Now, there is no type of sugarcoating which is done in this book. This is a naked reality of India. Now, by reading this book, I actually felt that there are many things which happen around us, but we choose not to speak about those things. So, this book is a must-read book, and as it is written in simple English, so if you are a beginner, you should definitely start with this book. Book number 4 is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Now, frankly speaking, when I started this book, initially I did not like it, but after few pages I was stuck with this book and I couldn't wait to finish it to know the entire story. Now, this book is about a man, that is Atticus Finch. Now, he is a lawyer and he also believes in equality. He has 2 children, and the story which is written is from the eyes of those 2 children. They usually ask the right question at the right time. Now, this book focuses on various social issues which is going on these days. It focuses on racism, on parenting issues, on morals, stereotypes, on rape issues, and on sexism also. In US, this book is already included into the curriculum, and I feel that this book should also be included in Indian curriculum also, because children should be aware of the social issues these days. Now, while reading this book, I actually felt that world could have been so much better if we elders could see the world as the children see it. Now, this book is a must read and you should read this book. Book number 5 is The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. Now, frankly telling, Jhumpa Lahiri is one of my favorite author. I just love the way she plots the story. I just love the way she writes the story. Now, The Namesake is about a immigrant Bengali family living in US, the Gangulis. Now, Ashok Ganguly, who is the head of the family, has totally adjusted to the new environment. His wife, that is Ashima, she has problem in adjusting to the new lifestyle and she deeply misses her family. Now, they have 2 children, that is the main character in the story is Gokul Ganguly. Now, Gokul Ganguly struggles a lot with his identity. He faces many problems. He even dislikes his name. The story is also about how he falls in love. Now, while reading this book, you are actually gonna feel that you are living with this family. You will feel their sorrows, you will feel their joy. Jhumpa Lahiri is one of the author who writes in such a way that when you read the book, you actually feel like living that particular life. Now, it happens with me, but I'm sure that it will happen with you as well. Do try this book. This is a must-read book. So, these were few of my favorite books. These are my all-time favorite, and I have improved my English because of these books only. And even if you are a non-reader, you should try at least one book from these 5, and I'm sure these books are not gonna disappoint you, and definitely you'll become a reader. And also, before going, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.